welcome back. Wait. I like the fact, say, face, it come back very good and strong. We only I pray I be say make you not come to cry. Join this one, nah?
It's supposed to cry, make you know.
Make you know, no. Nigerians don't send your cry. If you like cry,
okay, give us beat that.
Hey, Lucas, auntie, no one said again. Ladies and gentlemen, I got my guy in the building with me. Send rhymes. That's so. I know or what? Already. All right, so now my first performer for tonight be this, but at the same time, in the do spoken word. So some of them know spoken word as poem. So we go say na poet, and at the same time, na spoken word person. Yes. All right. So St. Rhymes, how far?
A day.
Correct. I know say before now, don't already talk say you can't do no. Spoken word, for example. What does it take for person to become spoken word person?
Okay. A few things, but some of the things we take, we have to mention. The thing we say you must be a lover of words.
Lover of words.
If you hear anything like all this cocoa with the talk,
yes.
First of all, go check her.
Okay.
You must just love words.
So you also say, okay, the cocoa of the condo of the Boko.
Can make you an olodo. You know, something like that.
Yes.
So
you must be a lover of words.
Lover of words, yes.
But really, for this country so far, how spoken word don't take grow? Should people really accept and have been something way still they find a way?
Before nobody even know what they call spoken word. Okay. But in like 4 years, 4 years ago till now, the thing done the gain ground. Okay. People say now if talk say they do spoken word, people say okay that thing na be. They don't get idea now, they don't form.
Okay. All right. So as it be like this now, we'll go watch St. Rhymes making doing own things and then make we just feel am. You understand? All right. So what you go do for us now?
I go do one poem when you get title.
We don't get title.
But the title did the end.
So, ladies and gentlemen, for those of you now really like this kind of level, I want to just enjoy on ourselves as I live now for the hands of Saint Rhymes.
Absolutely. This poem shall begin without a title, but in the end it shall be revealed, unveiled, uncovered. So pay attention. Dream big, talk big, act big, but don't you ever be notorious. Promise daddy that you'll never puff or become a bad boy, living a life so rough, rugged, and raw. Walk in the steps of your father, please make no U-turn. And if you make me a proud daddy, I will give you daddy's showkeys. Challenges and discouragement would always come, some to make you frown, others to pull you down, but please don't stoop down. Spread your wings and fly like an usher, soar with the eagles. I don't mean super eagles. If you fail, waste no time crying like Mode 9, because life is too short. Just face up with the future squarely and there'll be no P-square. Realize, my child, that your destiny is highly inflammable, so avoid the Bonner Boy. Stay clear of the lighter, the Riesler, and the ganja. Do not jogodo. Because Mary J. doesn't turn boys to men. It only destroys destiny's child beyond remedies, getting you addicted to a leaf called cannabis, wrapped in packs. And so you move from 1 pack to 2 packs until the end of time. So that who you are in the light and who you are in the dark when no one is watching, be identical. Don't be two-faced or hypocritical. If you want to be white, then be white. But if you want to be a black kid, then be black-faced. Don't confuse the world like the 6th son of Mr. Jackson called Michael Jackson. Serious. Changing faces can be dangerous, so dangerous, so dangerous. See, I could go on and on repeating my chorus like Busta Rhymes, but this time I mean what I say and I say what I mean. So like Olu, maintain your integrity. Even if your fame doesn't sound as loud as the Sultan of Brunei. Learn from the life. I give you an example. Learn from the life of the young shepherd boy called David. Oh, when he was young, he was wiser than a whiskey, because he was banking on God's W4. God's will, wisdom, wealth, and warmth. See, that's all you need to become a sunny king. You don't need to wear ice to feel like a prince. Just obey the voice of Ebenezer, and you will shine brighter than a solid star. See, dreams don't make sense, yes. Sometimes dreams don't make sense, but your dreams can help you make more than 50 cents in a second. And in 1 year, that will be more than 15 million rolling dollars. So I give you the title of my poem, BYD. Believe your dreams, behave your dreams, and you shall become your dream. Thank you.
Oh boy! Oh no! St. Rhymes today. Easy me. I say you don't lost. I just say I just look say, you understand? Not thinker. Nice one, my brother. Nice one. You see, you won't make me come to do my own. Anyhow.
You can do your own anyhow.
But I could just try from somewhere, like twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Yes.
How I wonder what you are.
They fit change that to Twinkle, Twinkle, Lester.
No, beautiful one. If you want to reach you like on social media, they want to read more of your stuff, or they want follow you, relate one-on-one. Get how do they follow you talk?
Okay, I did on IG, I did on Facebook.
Instagram.
I know be Inspector General. I did on Instagram, I did on Facebook, I did on Twitter.
Okay.
The handle now at St. Rhymes.
Okay.
SAINTRHYMES. And then I get blog, strhymes.wordpress.com. I write my poems there. Bad ones.
Talk that one again.
strhymes.wordpress.com.
Okay. All right, so if you wait to talk ourselves, this is like say strhymes.wordpress.com. I just want to let you know. Say St. Rhymes, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Say you follow us there on top of the show tonight.
Thank you.
To enjoy more of these our Ogbonge videos when you just watch, press this button to subscribe on top of our YouTube page. You go love her.